Hello everyone! In this video we're going to look at the steps to create a bootable USB flash drive to perform a clean installation of Windows 11. Although you can start a clean install of Windows mounting the ISO file to File Explorer, booting a device using a USB installation media is still the best approach to proceed with installation. Also, it is perhaps the only way to install Windows 11 on a new computer or on a device with an empty hard drive. So here's how to create a Windows 11 bootable USB flash drive. First, connect a USB flash drive with at least 8 GB of storage. If you have anything on the storage that is important to you, make sure to back it up because this process will erase everything. Then you need to open the official download page to download the media creation tool for Windows 11. I will be leaving a link in the video description to the download link and the written instructions so you can follow along this video. Once on this page, under the Create Windows 11 Installation Media section, click the Download Now button. Save the file to the computer, and then open the installer. Click the Accept button to continue. If your language is different from the one that is listed right here, uncheck this option and select your language. In addition, the only thing you can do is to select Windows 11. Then click the Next button. Here, select the USB flash drive option and then click Next. Now select the correct USB drive that you want to use to create the bootable media for Windows 11. Make sure to select the right one because this process will delete everything on that USB flash drive. And then click Next. And now the media creation tool will proceed to download Windows 11 and create the USB bootable media. Once the media creation tool has completed the process, just click the Finish button and then you have created a Windows 11 USB bootable media to do an installation of the new operating system. And that's all there is to it. You can now just open that USB flash drive to start the installation right from File Explorer, or you can reboot the computer and proceed with a clean installation of the operating system. Remember to like the video, share your comments, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.